So my plan today is to reiterate or to go back over a few things in repetition. So we'll write a small program today that uses a couple different types of loops. And basically, it's something that we've kind of looked at in the past. It's a conversion from um, imperial or standard measurements to metric. Okay. So we're going to take a look at that, write a short program, and then we'll be done for the day. You'll put that in your portfolio and it'll be worth 5 points. Okay. So I am going to start sharing. And you should see my screen now. And then let's see. Do, 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 do. There we go. There we go. It should be good. So we're going to go here, file, new project. Of course, it's an ant. And we're going to say personal metrics. That's what we're going to call it. All right. Again, so this project is called the Acme Personal Metrics Converter. And this will be personal metrics. Java. Date today is the 11th, I think. And author, purpose. Um, and we'll put 1 LB is equal to, and then we'll look that up. Okay, what happened to my convert pounds to kilograms. Okay, so this is the number I want here. Let's see. No, it'll be kgs. And then be equal to, we'll go back again. And get that number. Pop that in. be a meter. So that's what our program's going to do. So I know that I have to get stuff from the user. So import Java utility and then sit and wait for a minute here. My computer catches up. I don't know why that does that. That aggravates me almost every day. Excuse me. Then we're going to do that. And like always, get rid of that. Bring that down. Move this over a little bit. Put in a divider. All right. And move that over. And we're going to put in our loop. So we're going to say char again is equal to a y. And then our do. And once again, this is our initialization here. We have a do loop. That means it's a post-test loop. So it'll be, it's not tested until it's actually on the other side, outside of the loop. So this is while again is equal to capital Y. Okay. And then we need, so we got that, we got that. So now we need our prompt here. So, for our increment. So it'll be system.out.print. Press Y to continue. All others quit. Nice space there. So when they type in, it isn't right up against. Okay, now I need to get something from the user. So I'm going to just come up here. And it'll be scanner con user con is equal to a new scanner of the type system in. And then I can come down here and get the what I want from the user, and it'll be again, I'm going to change that, is con user next. Oh, it's user con. See, it's smart enough that when you have an error, it doesn't pop up. Okay. So you know you have an error right away. And I want the first character, which is at 0. So then I can test it. Type a Y there, type a capital Y, type yo-yo, doesn't matter. As long as the first character is a Y, any other character, like a J, boom, quits. That's what I want. Very user-friendly, very easy to use, right? The only time it's going to keep going is if they type some type of word with a Y at the first letter. They don't have to type no, they don't have to type yes. Anything that they might make a mistake at, we don't want them to have to deal with. All right. Let's get these in. I'm just going to copy them from up there. I'm going to change them a little bit here. I think, where do I want to put them? Inside or outside the loop? Why not inside, I guess. So it'll be Control V here. And of course, that's wrong. We're not going to do that. We're going to just put this here. And we're going to say final. And this is pound to kilogram is equal to that. Oops, and it's a double. Much better. That works for that one. And this will also be a final. And this one will be inch to, I'm going to spell it out because meter is just an M. Okay. Again, these aren't going to change. They're never going to change unless there's some major, I mean, we could cut this down to 3 digits. We could make this a 4 on the end here if we wanted to. In fact, I think I will. That way I only have 4 digits to worry about there. Excuse me, or 3 digits. So those are my constants, right? So this is going to deal with our so now we need the user to tell us their height and their weight, right? So I'm going to say system.out.print. Enter your name. And let's be specific. Let's say first name. Not that it matters. And then we'll say, so that's going to be F, okay, string F name is equal to usercon.next and system enter your last name. That's actually an L there. Or let's put it this way. Let's make it String name is what I got there. Okay, so there I've got their name, last name first. And now we'll do system.out print enter. Let's make it an F. Enter S backslash quote S height in inches. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, very specific. Notice this is an escape character so that I can print this quote, a single quote here. Okay. And then we'll have our while not equal to usercon dot has next int and we come down here and we just come and get this again. And add re in front of enter. Something like that. And this is wrong here because we forgot to put her name in here. Okay. We got to clear our, this is usercon.next. And then finally we can get their height. Okay. So that should work. We're going to test it. Okay. Run it again. Type in 5'11". Says it's not valid. I type in the letter X. Not valid. I type in 73 again, and it's valid. So that's what we do, right? Anytime there's user input involved that isn't a string, we need to validate. And that's only one of the things we validate. Of course, we could have here that if they enter, I mean, again, it's how badly do you want to step on them or whatever, in that we could make it so that their height has to be greater than 36 or something and less than 84, which would be 7 foot or something, or, 90. That would be 7'6". Okay, that pretty much eliminates most people unless we have a giant or something like that. Okay, so there's that. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this, highlight it, Control C it, okay, come down here, hit Control V, put that in, and then I'm just going to go highlight it again, and go up here to edit, replace. This little window pops up down here, and I'm going to type height, and then what do I want to put in there instead? Weight. And then I can say just replace all, and then I can get rid of that. But I still have to read through it because, so enter his weight in pounds. Okay, that is in a valid amount of pounds. And then re-enter weight. Oh, it did that one in pounds. And then fix this one here. So I think that's right. And we'll check it. Okay, so okay, I type in the letter A. It says that's not valid. Type in 1.3. That's not valid. I type in 200. Boom. Perfect. All right. So now I've got that. I've got my data. So now we're going to do we got our inputs. We got so now we need to process, right? We have some type of process. And I'm going to put here, let's do double metric height is equal to height times, what did I call it? Oop, I didn't give them names. That's nice. Nobody said anything. Oh yeah, duh. What am I saying? That is the name. Oh boy. Copy that. Come down here. Pop that in. Okay. And then we'll do double metric weight. It's equal to weight times pound to kilogram. Okay. So that's good. And now we have our output. So we're going to do a system.out.print. /n. Then let's make it a printf. Yes. And then we'll put in. Then I'll copy this up to there. So that'll go there, that'll go there. And then what is it here? Full name. I know that isn't going to be big enough, but all right. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, I don't have a banner. I need to do that. Okay, so I need about, I don't know, 10 more. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is just a matter of, you know, we take one out of there. See what happens. And of course, it's going to vary because of our name, isn't it? Length will change. So that I should figure out a different way to do that. Because different names will. Okay, so I got to fix that. Tabs, maybe. You know what? Let's just do. There's a way to format that. I'm not going to worry about it right now. Now that I think about it. Anyway, something like that will be fine. We could truncate it. We could do a bunch of things to it. All right. And then let's see if I do that, then I can still do here, enter, and then we'll put height. Let's do /t, and then a be an integer, and then a /t. Let's see, inches, and then equals, or no, we'll just make it a /t percent 0.2f. Yeah, meters. /n, and then weight. /t percent d will be pounds. /t percent 2f. Oop, dot 2f. Kilograms. /n. Okay, so this will be full name, and then the next one that comes up will be inches, then metric height, then pounds, or height. No, let's see here. This will be height. Sorry. And then weight and metric weight. You know, maybe what we can do here is get rid of these. Let's do that. Let's get rid of that. Put a /t there. And then get rid of this here. And then as long as it's inside those, we'll be good. And then we don't have to worry about their name length. Yeah. Let's see how bad it is. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Could add a few dashes there, or take a few out of the front. And then this looks good. Okay. I would want to have some more space here. So I'm going to put another carriage return here. Okay. And I'm going to take this tab out and just go put 2 spaces in there instead. Like that. So again, this formatting makes it nice, right? I can just boom, boom, boom. This is what it's going to look like. And then add a little space now and then. Again, all these have a space here. When I'm going to have the user, it's colon space. So you're not right up, the user's not right up against your prompt in each one of these cases. You got a space there. The only thing I don't like currently is we have no banner to tell the user what this is. So I'm just going to put it right here, and I'm just going to put something simple this time. So I'm just going to say we'll just do that. Yeah, maybe a line feed there too. So now we'll see what it looks like. There we go. Yep, I like that better. You can So that seems to work pretty good. Last thing I'm going to put in is my little goodbye down here. I think my mailman's here. Jeez. Jasper. So that's for my user, and then for my programmers. Save it, compress it, put it in my portfolio under, just put metrics, extra credit in your portfolio. And it's worth 5 points. But you, again, check it out. You got a do loop here that'll is a post test loop, always runs at least one time. It's got its 4 parts. It's got its initialization. It has a process. It has an increment, and it has a test. Okay. Then inside, we've got our while loops that may never run at all. Again, unless they type something in that's wrong, this loop never runs. Okay. Doesn't have to. If they type something wrong in, then of course the loop will beat them up until they put in what we want. Okay. It's personalized. Ask them every time, enter Doug's weight in pounds, enter Doug's height in inches, whatever. Okay. Of course, if you wanted to, you could have had them put in the feet and then in the inches would be another way to do it. But then you'd have to make sure you convert those your feet into inches before you did the math to output the meters. Okay. Be another way to do it. I just think this is easier. Excuse me. Any questions?
Will we lose points if we don't turn in on time or something? Will we miss points or something?
Well, that's always a possibility.
Well, since you says extra credit, that's why I'm asking. You said it's
You
extra
don't
credit.
you don't even have to do it if you don't want it.
Yeah, that's what I was curious on that one. I was
But
curious.
5 points are 5 points, dude. Don't come to me at the end and say, you know what? I got a 92.4 and I need a 92.5 to get an A instead of a B. And you know what I'm going to say? Damn it, you should have done that extra credit. Points are points. I would think any points that you can get, I would be getting. Unless you're so sure of yourself that you're going to get an A that you haven't missed any other stuff that would lower your grade.
Hey, Professor.
Mm-hmm.
My program keeps failing when I throw in the weight. Can I have you look at it real quick?
We know you'll have all of us look at it. That.
Okay.
And let me share here. Okay, you should be able to share.
Alrighty. Did I just blow it up like this? Okay.
Yep, there you go. Okay. So now let's see what we got here. We got weight. So it's erring on your weight, you said?
Yeah.
In inches. Well, this isn't going to hurt anything, but you got in your loop, your while loop for weight,
Uh-huh.
you're still asking them for inches. The error message, that's a system out print line, that is not a valid amount of inches.
Oh, okay.
That should say pounds. And let's see what you got here. Dash S, weight in pounds. F name is right there. Anybody sees it, help her out. Metric, the 8 inches, blah, blah, blah. Okay, run it once. Let me see. Or let us see, I should say.
Oh.
Okay, so it's a formatting failure in the there. Let's see, dash S and weight in pounds. F name. Why is that an error? Percent S. Percent S. That's weird. Data fail conversion, print integer, specifier. Next int. Okay. Height. Maybe it's up above. And again, this isn't going to hurt anything, but line 36 after the 73, put a closing parentheses. No, to
Here?
the, no, after the 3.
Oh, after this?
Yeah, so you got one in front of EX, so now you need one after the 3 and 73.
Okay. Like right there?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. That's not going to help though. Trying to think here. Do your output. Can you click on output down at the bottom there, far
Yeah.
left-hand side?
Right here?
Nope, nope, nope. Down all the way at the bottom of your application. Keep going down. Keep going. Nope, nope. Don't take over to the underneath the personal metrics window on the left there.
Oh, okay.
There's an output down there. No, 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 no.
Oh, right here. Found it.
No, there you
Nope.
go. Now, can you? Yeah, that's it. And then I want you to go on that top line that comes up and spread it up so we can see more of it. Nope, down where it says output. Do it again. Okay, see the word output on the left there?
Right
Over
here?
on the far, yeah. Go up on right above the line above it, and then hold down your mouse and expand your bottom so we can see the whole thing.
There we go.
There you go. That's what we need. Okay, 73 metric. What is that? 73 metric. Okay. Application, cache, snippets. Following error could be executing this line. I would turn to 111. Oh, okay. Let's try. Go back to your program. Click on close your output one. There you go. Now scroll down for me. Down to the bottom there. Okay. Darn it. Print that. Man, it's not showing any errors, is it?
No.
Huh. Full name. Hang on.
Would the height and weight need to be like a double because it could be like 73.5?
No, because you're asking them for, most people don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Height, metric height, weight, metric weight, /T, set T, %D. Try this once. Go up to run way at the top, the word run, the main menu. Up in the main menu, up,
Oh,
way
okay.
up at the top.
Right there.
Click it. Go down, clean and build project. Okay, try it again now. Try to run it. Darn it. It's got to be in the line. Okay, scroll down again. Go down to our output. Okay, height, colon, /T, /N. /D, which is /T, F, meters. There's got to be in there. The last line there, weight.
Here.
Not again, it's not going to matter. Where it says height and weight,
Mm-hmm.
line 63.
Okay.
After the T and weight, there should be a colon. Not there, at the beginning of the line.
Oh, the beginning.
You're just missing it's a typo, not a, there you go. And again, that's not going to hurt anything. /T %2F. Man, that looks good. It's height. All right. Do this. For right now, let's do a double slash in front of line 60, 61 in front of the plus sign. // the other way.
Wrong slash.
Okay, and then go down // and then take out, oh, there it is. Undo those. Okay, go down in line 63.
Mm-hmm.
You have a plus sign in front of full name instead of a comma.
That would do it.
Okay, now try it. Ta-da!
Thank
Okay.
you.
You're
Cut
missing
that right there.
yeah, you're missing after weight in kilograms, line 63.
Mm-hmm.
Quit your
Slash.
program first. Just, yeah, you need a /n there. In fact, put 2 of them. Okay. So now it should be good, but your program's still running. Yeah.
Yeah, quit that.
Okay, save it and then give me my screen back.
Thank you. Did it work? Did I
Huh?
stop sharing? Did I stop
Yeah,
sharing?
yeah,
Okay,
you're
perfect.
fine.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's my song and dance for today. I'm going to stop